Good day. I am Christian Dave D. Alvarez, and here is my co-members. Dean Iverson Francisco, Andriel Chris Ocho Torrela, and James Benjamin Sanayo. Our system entitled An Online Sales and Inventory Management System using Barcode Scanner for BB Boutique Shop. So this is our website.
Login and sign up are the part of authentication system to verify if the customer is not rolling for BB Boutique Shop. The pages include sign up page, a form where new users are required to input their information to register and to order. For example, last name user, first name user, last name user, and username is sample, and for email address is sample123 at gmail.com. And you can put your contact number there. Example is 09123455. Like that. And password is sample at 123. And login page, a form where registered users can access their accounts to manage their order. Once you're done signing up, you can uh, log in like sample and the sample at 123. And if you if you have forgot your password, just click on the forget password and enter the Gmail that you enter in the Gmail sign up, sample123 at gmail.com. And once you're done, you can log in again and you'll be able to access the dashboard.
Then for the homepage, uh, we create a navigation minute to easy to access to find the products quickly. So we have new arrivals, men slash boys clothing, new in tops, bottoms, hoodies, sweaters, and jersey. And we have women and girls clothing. So new in tops, bottoms, dresses, pants, cardigan, and kid turners. And lastly, we have accessories like cup and perfume. So we create a main banner to promote the content of the products or sales, rotating image, promoting sales and discounts. For example, up to 40% discount, and sa about section, we input describes the shop about and products offerings. Then for the footer, this footer columns includes um, policies and health topics that assist users in resolving common order related issues. So we we input cancellation policy, delivery, order and payments, payment tax, privacy policy, return and refunds, terms and conditions, and if you have a question, just message us BB Boutique Shop. So the customer can message BB Boutique Shop via Facebook account. So if the customer want to log in their account, Just type the sample, then user, then
User front-end overview, customer interface, header section. We have a logo and a website name, VB Boutique Shop, branding. We have a search bar, lets users find products by typing the brand or name. For example, shirt 10. The product will appear in the home page. User account drop-down. If you want to order, just add to cart. And it will go to our cart. Let's proceed to our checkout. Just click complete purchase. And we have a user account drop down. We have a profile. And if you want to end the session, just click the log out.
So now I'm going to discuss the admin and staff panel overview. First, you will log in into using your admin account. After you log in, you will see the left sidebar navigation, which shows the user info, shows the current login, example, staff account with name and with a profile avatar. And you will see the left sidebar navigation. It has the home, which redirects to the main dashboard page for staff. And user management allows the staff to manage user accounts such as adding, editing, or deleting users. And also the product management. You can manage all products in the inventory. And next is the order management. Enables the staff to view and manage customers' orders. Next is the product management page, which is the search. It has the search and scan bar. Staff can search for products by name or scan barcode ID. Product table columns. It has the product ID, unique barcode or ID for each product. And name of the product. Examples, the cap, the shorts. And category and subcategory. Groups, products, which is the accessories and perfumes. Price, which is the product cost. Quantity, which is the inventory count. Launch date and date inserted. It is the product's official release and database entry date. And action or edit allows staff to update product details. Next, the order management page. Table columns. It has the order ID, user ID. Identifiers for orders and customers. Next, the date, which is the date of purchase. Next is the status. It is the order status. Example like pending, delivered, or arrived. Next is the total price, which is the total cost of the orders. And next is the action. May include buttons for viewing or updating orders.